Electrons, especially valence electrons, determine how atoms bond and interact chemically by being shared, transferred, or pooled to create stable arrangements that hold atoms together. Think of atoms as tiny balls with shells that hold electrons, and the outermost shell has the valence electrons that really matter for bonding. Atoms want their outer shells to be full, so they form bonds by sharing electrons in covalent bonds, giving or taking electrons in ionic bonds, or pooling electrons in metallic bonds. Sharing 2 electrons makes a single covalent bond, sharing 4 makes a double bond, and sharing 6 makes a triple bond, which holds atoms progressively closer and stronger. In ionic bonding, one atom gives up electrons and becomes positive, while the other gains electrons and becomes negative, and opposite charges attract. Valence electrons also influence shape and reactivity because they set how many bonds an atom can form and how it interacts with other atoms. A common mistake is thinking electrons move around randomly instead of occupying specific shells and orbitals, and the fix is to remember electrons fill lower energy levels first and pair up in orbitals. Another misconception is believing that all bonds are either purely ionic or purely covalent, and the remedy is to understand bonding is often on a spectrum with partial sharing and partial charge transfer. Students also often ignore lone pairs when predicting molecule shape, and the easy tip is to count both bonding pairs and lone pairs to see how they push atoms into the right geometry. For more videos and resources on how electrons control chemical bonding and reactions, check out www.gumballdegree.com.